Now let's continue our discussion about types. I'm going to hide the Explorer. I'm going to declare a variable with let. It's going to be called age. It's going to be of type number, the type that we talked about in the previous video, and it's going to be equal to 25. Then I'm going to type console.log, and it's going to say your age is, and outside the quotation marks, plus age, semicolon. Now let's open the terminal, go to terminal, new terminal. We type npm start, and it opened the browser for us. Let's go to inspect, console, and let's create a new tab here. Let's type tsc app.ts, and that is going to compile the TypeScript file. And now it's going to say your age is 25, so everything works fine. Now I can change this value if I want. I can put here age, so I can redeclare it 30, semicolon. So now if I type again tsc app.ts, and I go on the page, you're gonna see the age is 30 now. Now this is the number type, and you can store also not only whole numbers, but also numbers which are called floating point numbers, numbers which have a decimal part. So I can put here 30.5. So now if I type tsc app.ts and I press enter, now if I do look here, we have 30.5 the age. So you can store also numbers with a decimal part. Now let's delete this. Let's create another variable. Let's type let full name equals, let's put of type. Now the next type that we're gonna use is the string type for storing sequence of characters. So we put colon at the end of the name of the variable, string, and I'm gonna put equals, and I'm gonna say Dobinka Alexandru, and this is the string type. And if you try to put something else here, now if I type full name and I put a number, it immediately underlines and it says the type number is not assignable to a type string, so it knows that this is of type string. We said explicitly here, and later you'll see that you don't need to declare those types explicitly because they're gonna be inferred. You're gonna see later what inferred is. Now let's look at the next type, and the next type that we're gonna use is boolean. So let's type a variable here, let's call it online. We're gonna put equals, and but before that, let me first console log full name, semicolon. Let's put tsc app.ts. Let's open this, and you have Dobinka Alexandru being output in the console. Now let's go down here and let's type let online of type boolean. So we put colon at the end of the name of the variable, boolean, and boolean can have only true or false. So I'm gonna put false, semicolon, and if I type console, let's hide this, console.log online. Now if I open back the terminal, so we type tsc app.ts. Now if I go here, we have false, and we have the name Dobinka Alexandru. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.